Okay, class, today we're going to be doing theoretical probability of compound events using a tree diagram and using a list. Okay. All right, so let's look at our first example here. It says finding probability using a tree diagram. It says Brianna is ordering a taco. She can order corn, so I'm going to highlight that, or a flour tortilla. Okay. She can choose either beef, fish, chicken, or zucchini as her filling. Okay, she can also choose sour cream or guacamole. Okay, each combination is equally likely. So we're going to find the probability that the taco she chooses at random is a corn tortilla, fish, and the topping is guacamole. Okay, so our first step is to take our first two possibilities here. We have a corn tortilla and we have a flour tortilla. Okay, so I'm going to start my tree there. I'm going to have corn and I'm going to have flour. Okay, I'm going to check those two off because I'm done with those. Okay, next we have beef, fish, chicken, or zucchini. So I need that to be on each one. So I'm going to draw my 4 branches there. Okay, and I'm going to label all of them. This is going to be beef, fish, chicken, zucchini. Okay, do the same with the flour tortilla. Beef, fish, chicken, and zucchini. Okay, now I'm going to check those off. Done with those. Okay, next the filling could either be a sour cream or guacamole. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2 little branches from each one of those. Okay, and I'm going to abbreviate here. I'm going to do SC for sour cream and G for guacamole. Okay, do the same down here. All right, so now let's count our possibilities here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we have 16 combinations here. Okay, so we want to pick the one that has, remember, corn tortilla, fish, and guacamole. So how many times does it occur? It occurs 1 out of 16. So the probability of finding a taco choosing at random of a corn tortilla, fish, and guacamole is 1 out of 16. Okay, so now we're going to find the probability using a list. Okay, so now this one says a bicycle license uses the letters A and B and the number 4. Okay, so I'm going to highlight those A, B, and 4. Okay, either of the symbols may be repeated. I'm going to also highlight that. They may be repeated. Okay, and every license has exactly 3 characters. I'm going to highlight that. Okay, so we're going to find the probability of a license with 3 letters. Okay, so we only want the license with 3 letters. Okay, so let's make a list. So now we're going to organize this list, and I'm going to start with the letter A. I'm going to list all my possibilities, of getting an A. Okay, so having A at the beginning of the list. Okay, so we're going to have A, I'm just going to list it out just how it is, A, B, and 4. Okay, then I could have A, B, and A, because remember it can be repeated. Okay, then I'm going to have A, B, and B. So what I just did was I did A at the beginning and B as the second letter, and then listed my possibilities for the third choice, and remembering that it can be repeated. Okay, so now I'm going to do A and 4. So I can do A, 4, and B, A, 4, and A, and A, 4, and 4. Okay, so remember, it can be repeated. All right, so last I'm going to do A and A. So A, and B, A, and 4, and A. Okay, so now my list of A's consists of everything that begins with A and B, A and 4, and A. Remembering that it can be repeated. Okay, now I'm going to do B. Okay, so with B, I have B, A, so B, A, and 4, B, A, and B, B, A, and A. So now, what I want you to do is finish the list for B, and I want you to complete the list for 4. So when you come to class tomorrow, we will check those.